Steel is one of the most widely used construction materials in modern engineering. It is used in buildings, bridges, towers, and industrial structures due to its high strength and durability. Let's discuss the merits, advantages, and demerits, disadvantages of steel construction. Merits of steel construction 1. High strength to weight ratio. Steel has a very high strength compared to its weight. This means a smaller amount of steel can support a large load, making structures lighter and more efficient. 2. Speed of construction. Most steel parts, beams, columns, are pre-made in a factory with high precision. Quick assembly. They are just bolted together on site like a giant Lego set. This makes the construction process much faster than pouring concrete and waiting for it to cure. 3. Durability. Steel is long-lasting and can withstand heavy loads, wind, and earthquakes when properly designed and maintained. 4. Recyclable. Steel is one of the most eco-friendly construction materials. It can be 100% recycled and used again without losing its strength. This reduces demerits of steel construction. 1. Corrosion. Steel is prone to rust when exposed to moisture and air. Regular painting or coating is required to prevent corrosion. 2. High cost. The initial cost of steel and its fabrication is higher compared to materials like reinforced concrete. Conclusion. In conclusion, steel construction offers strength, speed, and flexibility, making it ideal for modern infrastructure. However, corrosion, fire risk, and cost are major drawbacks that must be carefully managed. With proper design and maintenance, steel remains one of the best materials for sustainable and high-performance structures.